Come along with me for a day of hiking and see what I eat. So first thing in the morning, I started off by packing our lunches, and I just made these simple hummus and vegetable sandwiches. I love this Oasis hummus because it doesn't have any oils in it. Then I got dressed and ready to go. Here's my outfit for the day, and here I am driving to the trailhead. Once we got to the trailhead, I just got my bag out and made sure I had everything in it, all my protective gear as well, because it is bear season. And yeah, we headed out on the trail. You can see my big bear spray can hanging right there on my backpack. Nacho is also wearing some bear bells. And here is one of the many lookouts on this trail. There's so many beautiful places to stop and just take in all of the beautiful, beautiful scenery that nature provides for us. Here I am. There's that huge bear can spray again. And here's your cuteness for the day, Nacho drinking his water. But one of the other major precautions that we take when we're hiking is to stay on heavily trafficked trails. We were seeing people up and down this trail the entire time we were on. Here we are at the very top of the trail, and I know it looks scary, like we're on narrow ledges, but we're not. There's plenty of space. It's very safe. You'd really have to make an effort to make this dangerous. So we like to come up here, go to our favorite little spot, pull out all of our food. Look at that view. Like, it's just, you can see the whole valley. It's so beautiful. So for lunch, we had our 2 sandwiches each. We each had some of this air popped popcorn, some grapes, and some Asian pears. And that is like an incredible view for lunch. So we like to take 20 to 30 minutes. We like to just savor the moment, enjoy our food, the views, the conversation. Here's Nacho keeping his eye on this chipmunk that kept getting close. Then we made our way down after lunch, and we decided to stop in town real quick before we made it back to our homestead because it was a beautiful day, and look how gorgeous town looks right now. It's just so beautiful. Fall is in full bloom. Look how gorgeous the trees and the river looks. But this bookstore, our favorite bookstore, was our mission today because they're always getting new books. So we like to pop in there frequently and see what they have. And guys, they had some treasures. They had some special edition covers of some classics. Look at this gorgeous Emma by Jane Austen. Oh, so pretty. So then we headed back to the car to get home, and Nacho passed out immediately.